Please clean your hands before installation. Use Wet Fiber 1 to clean your phone screen, and then use Dry Fiber 2 to remove liquid and dust. If there is still dust, please use Dust Removal Sticker to clean the screen until it is extremely clean. Peel off 1/3 of the first protective layer, labeled with 1, and align the screen protector perfectly with phone's cutouts. Place the screen protector on the screen gently. Slowly peel off the entire first protective layer and gently press the screen with included hardcard, or any cards, to remove air. It is better to use hardcard with wiping cloth provided. Make sure there is no bubble, then peel off the second protective layer, labeled with 2. Use wiping cloth to press the entire screen, especially the edges, to let it stick to your phone.